Welcome back to the Digital Guide, your go to channel for smart digital tools, side hustles, and everything online. Hey everyone, your Gmail account may be linked to some websites or apps you might not want. In this video, I'll show you how to remove your Gmail account from unwanted sites or apps. First, open your Gmail account or Gmail app and tap on your profile picture in the upper right corner. Next, click on Manage your Google account. After that, tap on Security to sign in. Scroll all the way down until you find your connections to third party apps and services. Then, tap on See All Connections. This will display the apps or websites that are linked to your Gmail account. Now, to remove a connection, select any site or app from the list and just tap on it. Then, choose Delete all connections you have on this particular site. And finally, tap Confirm to completely remove the connection to your Gmail account. Just repeat these steps to continue removing any other apps or sites as needed. And that's it. Now you know how to remove unwanted sites from your Google account. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe for more guides, and share it with someone who needs to know this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.